What's up, guys? This time it happens we will be creating a reservation in KWHotel. But for starters, we will do the shortest way possible. So I'll show you how to create a reservation under 30 seconds. So the customer calls you and asks for a reservation. First of all, we pick the room for him. I showed it in the previous videos. Then we select the date on the calendar and we click add reservation, or we hit enter. I click add reservation in this case. Now what I have to do, I ask him for his name. So let's be Adam Smith. If someone is already in your database, you will see the propositions here. So Adam Smith has already been in my hotel. I click here. His data is already there. I tell him the price, which is populated automatically if it's a rate plan. You can always change the rate plan if it's a standard or pro version and you have more of them. Or you can use the room rate per night, room rate per person. These are created in the rooms module, but I highly encourage you to use the rate plans instead. And voila, if customer agrees, all you have to do is you choose the reservation status, which for now it will be only reservation scheduled or confirmed, because you don't have any payment, you don't have any other moves from the customer. You save it, and that's all you had to do. If you want more information, you can always revisit this reservation and do it again. So that's all. You can handle reservations in 30 seconds and do the rest later when you have more time to do that. Thank you, and in the next video we will be performing the full reservation window discussion. I'll show you step by step how to create full reservations, not just the 30-second name one, and I will discuss all the features that are there. So see you soon.